They look like llamas, but they're guanacos. They're from South America, and they're kin to llamas and giraffes and deer. And the gray birds are also rheas, like Snowball, but they're gray. Rheas can go 30 miles an hour. They don't fly. They use their wings to make abrupt turns at speed to get away from trouble. Guanacos can run 35 miles an hour over incredibly rough terrain, rocks and hills. Amazing. As we come to the turn, you'll see all of these pampas grasses here. Don't touch the grass or you might get cut. They're very sharp, have sharp, sort of saw-like edges. On the left, we have the butterfly garden. There's a large ornamental butterfly, and then these bushes with the orange flowers, which have inside the flower nectar that butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees like very much. I see coming up to the guanacos has come to say hello.
Look, Alexa.
They have such pretty faces, don't they?
Look, Mama. Look.
And yeah, your eyelashes. Here's Snowball's friend, another rheas. On the left is a funny building with a funny roof made out of grass, a thatched roof. It houses the giant anteaters. That's a really cool animal. Be sure to stop by and give it a visit. We have a mom, a dad, and a baby. The baby's pretty big now. It's bullet train time. Hold on to your hats. Thank you for joining us on Zoofari Express. I hope you have a nice day at the zoo. Welcome home, welcome home.